Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show how to partition your drives, create a new partition on your laptop. Now it's going to be the same as the desktop, but I like to show different ways of using it. So just like on the desktop, I accidentally disabled the This is from my previous video here. Fortunately, Cortana has the search functionality in Windows here. So anyway, that's fixed. So we're going to go here and we're going to type hard or hard drive. Click that. So once it gets there, so here's something to remember. I put an SSD into this laptop, and it's quite a small SSD. So what I want to do is I want to get a good amount of free space, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to do boot another Windows operating system. So what I want to do is I want to partition this in such a way to where I can upgrade that other partition if I want. This is exactly the same as the desktop. So action, all tasks, and I'm going to shrink the volume. Now, there are better third party for this. You could shrink, size, remove, create. This is a basic system. Okay, so what I want to do is shrink the volume down enough to where I could still use it, but have enough space for the other partition. And you just press left click and hold it. And I am going to do, as I said earlier, I am going to do a dual boot situation on this laptop just to show you how it functions. Now, I don't mind if there's no space on the first partition, because I'm focusing on the second partition I am creating. And yes, I know I'm taking a lot out, but I have to take a lot out to have a very good partition to install the Windows operating system that I want. Alright, so now I'm going to shrink the drive. Alright, so I got what I needed out of it. I know I shrunk it a little more than I wanted to, but that 68 gigs is good enough for what I need on this machine right now. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Action. So I'm going to right click and we're going to do Simple Volume. There we go. Drive letter. NTFS, just like the desktop. There we go. And there you go. It is all formatted and ready to go. So whatever operating system I decide to put on here doesn't have to format it. It'll do it by itself. It'll just install. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.